Directions. Find the word or words with the same meaning as the underlined word. Circle the letter next to your answer. On this test, if you need to pause after I read the question and answer to be able to answer your questions on your test, please do so. Number 1, she looks fabulous in her new dress. Tired, scared, extraordinary, unattractive. Number 2, he wants to continue browsing in the library, studying, casually looking, napping, making noise. Number 3, they will be inspecting the factory tomorrow, carefully looking at, thoroughly cleaning, changing the location of, building. Number 4, the town has started a project to widen Main Street. Application, idea, permit, plan. Number 5, an audience usually applauds after a great performance, remains quiet, claps, yells, leaves. Directions. Find the word or words with the same meaning as the underlined word. Circle the letter next to your answer. Remember, pause if you need to answer the question after I've read it. Number 6, my teacher is very special. Good, proper, unusual, ordinary. Number 7, her new car was shiny, sparkling, dull, blinding, clean. Number 8, tomorrow is supposed to be a beautiful day. Cloudy, gorgeous, adequate, awful. The light in this room is so dim that I cannot read. Brilliant, murky, dull, faint. Number 10, he was unaware he was late for class. Conscious, ignorant, ignored, innocent. Number 11, the apple crisp is delicious. Tasteless, sweet, tasty, rich. Number 12, the wind blew fiercely during the storm. Strongly, quickly, weakly, gently. Question 13. Which group could vote before any others? American Indians age 21 and over, teenagers, white men age 21 and over, women age 21 and over. Number 14. When did the government outlaw the poll tax? 1789, 1920, 1964, 1971. Number 15. The last group of people to be given the vote was teenagers, American Indians, women, men. Number 16. What did the leaders do after they arrived in Philadelphia in 1789? Fought a war, remembered the ladies, changed the laws, wrote a constitution. In 1971, leaders expressed the opinion that teenagers should not serve in the Army, protest the Vietnam War, run for office, be allowed to vote. Number 18. The author wrote this article in order to entertain the reader with exciting true stories, recount the history of voting in the United States, persuade the reader to register to vote, persuade the reader to change the laws. Number 19. Which law was passed first? The law giving Indians the right to vote, the law outlawing the poll tax, the law giving women the right to vote, the law giving teenagers the right to vote. Number 20. From the information in paragraph 7, you can conclude that only southern states charged a poll tax. African Americans were wealthier than white people. Southern states did not charge a poll tax. Northern states charged a poll tax.